My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the new browser hijacker that is called Live-secure.xyz. Live-secure.xyz is the website that functions as a typical browser hijacker. This browser hijacker promises a lot. It promises that if you install its related browser extension into the Google Chrome browser, you will be able to get a more secure and safe browsing. But in reality, this is a typical browser hijacker. When you submit some search queries, you may soon get the results by some other search engines that have not been chosen by you initially. Another problem with Live-secure.xyz is that this particular hijacker is often spread through integration with some free applications, and in most of the cases people download and install it pretty unintentionally. This is why it is fairly considered to be the potentially unwanted application. To remove any unwanted browser extensions, this is what you can do. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them here. We also recommend researching your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and this is the way it looks like. Start scanning and researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.